Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in Oxford White. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box with a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a class 4 trailer tow hitch. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, and lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of your grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that you can toggle through. So there's main menu, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode at the end, and when you press that, it'll be normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And that's simply by touching the tip of this. There's a little bin in the center here to put things as well. You have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And we can go into our audio for our sources. Let's turn down the volume on our steering wheel and go in AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then we can touch on our settings, slide through for different options, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. When we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. There you go. And it's going to get us back into park for safety. You have your volume and tuner, and down below is your fan, front defrost, AC, and max AC. Off to the side is 4x4 locking differential, and you have integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets and a 12 volt. There's a little bin down there too. And you've got a couple of cup holders in your center console. You can open it up, more storage in there, and then flip the seat up for another seating position. You actually have a seat belt, unclip, and more storage down below. Then off to the side is your 12 volt. You have a locking glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And your backup camera's just below the handle. You have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you simply pull the tab at the base and then lift the seat right up. Gives you more room on the floor. To bring it back down, pull the tab again, and down she goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor you have all-weather mats as well as carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there's a 12 volt as well as a couple of cup holders, and there's USB outlets, 2 of them on the left hand side. Grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back access to a big window. Chrome bumper, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.